If you're looking for a credit card where you can make purchase at Costco, Walmart, and other groceries without you having to change categories each and every time, then this credit cards for Wholesale Club is your best bet. Welcome to this channel, friend. My name is Maverick, and today I'm gonna be listing my 5 best credit cards for Wholesale clubs. Please listen to this disclaimer before you watch this video. It is very important that you know that I am not a financial advisor, and the content of this video is for educational purposes only. Now you need to know that cashback rates, fees, and terms of credit card mentioned in this video may vary over time, and any products that I recommend in this video is for your benefit and they do not require any additional spending from your hand. In case it's been a while that you watched this video after I've created it, kindly make sure that you go ahead and confirm all the rates and fees that I talked about in this video before you embark on taking action on this video. And it's not also bad if you also consult all the financial advisors that you trust very well before you embark on anything that I say in this video. I'm going to be listing from the number 1 till the 5th, so stick right there, grab a cup of coffee, and let's ride on this journey. The first on my list right here is the AAA Daily Advantage credit card. Now with this credit card, you get 5% grocery, 3% wholesale club, 3% gas, 3% drugstore, 3% streaming services, no annual fee, and no foreign transaction fees. Now, why it doesn't offer premium travel perks? I love the fact that it is an all-rounder credit card. That is what I like about the AAA Daily Advantage, and where you will get bonus rewards for travel and the AAA grocery store, drugstore, gas station, and the wholesale club purchases for no annual fee. I think this is spectacular because with the AAA Daily Advantage, you stand more chances of enjoying all these benefits. Talking about the second on the list, we have the Venmo card. Now, this Venmo credit card is a type of credit cards that I also like all the benefits and its perks, and it has 3% on top spending category, which the grocery category includes wholesale clubs. Now, the Venmo categorizes wholesale clubs and Walmart both as a grocery store, which is clutch. Okay, now I like the cash back because it is deposited into your Venmo account, and this makes things a little bit much more easier compared to several other cards out there that possibly you might not be able to deposit, and you just maybe possibly have to use it to purchase something, but at least this one can still be converted and withdrawn. Okay, and the Venmo credit card doesn't offer a sign-up bonus. Okay, so I think that is a little bit of drawback that I see, but I've seen double cash backs for the first 6 months. So 6% cash back on highest category and 4% in second highest. Okay, but the sign up bonus is not always there. Okay, and their categories are pretty broad, and the grocery categories include wholesale clubs. Okay, so that is it about the Venmo card, which you get to enjoy. Now the third on the list here is the US Bank Altitude Reserve credit card. Now, if they accept Apple Pay in the store that you want to do your grocery shopping from, then this card is gold. Okay, but if they do not accept Apple Pay, then you might want to consider either the AAA Daily Advantage or the Venmo card. But if they accept Apple Pay, then just go straight for the US Bank Altitude Reserve credit card. The thing about this credit card is that they charge a $400 annual fee, so that might be a little bit of drawback for some people, because that might be a little bit exorbitant for some prospective card holders. Okay, but if you can afford the $400 annual fee and you don't see that as a problem, then you stand more chances of enjoying this credit card. All right, though it's a little bit on the high side, especially for those who are looking for a zero annual fee credit card. A whole lot of my audiences are mostly about the zero annual fee and a whole lot of benefits. So, but it's still worth it. Okay, it's still worth it. If you want to go for this, then you can decide to give it a try. But if you cannot, Then there are several other credit cards that you can go for here with zero annual fee. The next one I'm going to be talking about now has a zero annual fee, and it is called the Redstone Federal Credit Union Visa Signature Credit Card. Wow, that's insane. Okay, so with an annual fee of $0, this Redstone Federal Credit Union Visa signature, it has 5% cash back on restaurants and gas stations. It also has 3% cash back on groceries, discount stores, wholesale clubs, utilities, phone and streaming services, and then 1.5% on anything else. I mean, this is kind of cool because you get a lot of benefits right here, and it also gives you more cash back than many other cards on platforms like Costco and hopefully Walmart or Target, depending on whether the code as discount store. All right, so that is what you gotta enjoy. Although every interesting percent category is limited to $7,000 of spend per year, so there is limitation. This is majorly suggested for people who are maybe you're a single person, it's okay, but if you're a family person, then this might not really be a good one for you to go for. Yeah, because you're only limited to $7,000 of spend per year. So the interesting percentage category is limited to that. So if you're a single person, well, it's cool, you can go for these. But if you're a family person, then maybe you're a family man or a family woman, or you have a lot of family to take care of and buy groceries for for the family, then you might not want to rely only on this card. Even if you want to give it a try, you will still need to get another credit card to use with it. Okay, yeah, so that is about that you need to know. And the last here on my list is the WF Active Cash Card. That's the West Fargo Active Cash Card. Now this card has 0% annual fee, 3% foreign transaction fee, and also you earn $200 cash reward bonus after spending $500 in purchases in the first 3 months. This one is kind of cool, but the fact that it has 3% foreign transaction fee might be a little bit of setback, okay, for some people who are frequent travelers. Okay, if you're a frequent traveler, then this might not really be a good idea, okay, because you spend a little more when you travel. But if you are not a traveler, then the West Fargo Active Cash Card is a good one that you can consider. Although I'm not using this card, but I got this from a group where someone asked a question. I have a private group where we talk about a lot of stuff, credit cards and all that. So there was a guy who talked about this, and there was a lady who said she uses this card for grocery purchases, use at Costco and several other places, for grocery purchases, and that's why I added it to my list here. And when I asked her, she said it's a good card, and the reason why she's using it is because she doesn't travel, so she's just in the United States. So it's cool with her, okay, so it's cool. Yeah, but and she's enjoying $0 annual fee. Okay, all right, so that is it. Those are my 5 best credit cards for wholesale clubs. Now, talking about extra benefits, in case you want to do something a little bit spectacular, then you can use the Sam's Club membership. Okay, it's a once per year, and Sam's Club usually have their $500 Southwest gift card for $400, so you can sign up for a lot on slick deals for Southwest gift cards. Okay, now every few months there are usually deals like 20 to 25% or more off of $100 Southwest gift card. So when you sign up for Sam's Club, you should be able to get a lot on slick deals, so it helps you to get Southwest gift cards. So this is just like an extra benefit, so you can use this to get more benefits, okay, hand more benefits, and use it for some of your grocery shoppings. Okay, so that is just about that. All right, so thank you very much for your time. In case you have any experience, maybe you have another credit cards that you've used or you are using, and they are very good for wholesale clubs, it can help a lot of people also, so you can decide to share them in the comment box. Let's help other people. Okay. I like a community. I like where people share their thoughts. I'm also here to just share my thoughts here, so you can also go ahead, let us know if there is any card you've used before or you are using and is working very well for Wholesale Club. And I didn't mention it here. You can let us know in the comment box. I'm sure several other people will be able to tap from your knowledge and your experience. And if there's anyone you use among these cards that I've listed, the AAA Daily Advantage, the Venmo card, the US Bank Altitude Reserve credit cards, the Redstone Federal Credit Union Visa Signature credit card, and the West Fargo Active Cash credit card, you can let us know your experience about any of them that you're using presently. You can share your thoughts. I'm sure it will help other people out there. I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new credit cards tutorials right there on this channel. And also give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people who are looking for this particular solution to their problem, and hopefully it helps them to make the best decision. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you the best of luck in your credit card and Wholesale Club's purchases journey. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.